Igbo Igbo ekene m no Igbo ndị ma njem ọ Igbo m no nsem ọzọ biko ya kwa another video I need pay attention to maka na owe nwanne nwoke na-akwado ịkọwala anyị mana achọrọ m ka ha fonu kunjila akunu ma get this video ọ na-ekwu okwu maka ndị Zion dị very careful na this Ngokpala crusade mana onye ọbụla ada amachi ya amacha nyota so there must be a reason oji wee kwuo that thing mana ka hapụ nku mege nku nene this video ichefukwana ke subscribe on our channel comment share ma on notification gị ka emesian.
One thing I want to tell the people of Ngokpala is that if care is not taken, you see that blessing Evangelist Ebuka is bringing to your community will turn to a cost to you guys. I see a lot of propaganda. I say, a lot of things. And you all know the truth. You see, I like the fact that a lot of people are posting about what Evangelist Ebuka is currently doing in Ngokpala or at Ngokpala community, including those people that we are bashing us then when we are preaching that we believe in grace of Evangelist Ebuka. You know, a lot of them are fighting to bring the man and the ministry down. I saw a lot of people that used to drag us then, insult us. I've clashed with a lot of them one-on-one. Then I was still back home, you know. But sometimes when I see them on their pages trying to thank God and Evangelist Ebuka on what he is currently doing at Ngokpala, turning the community into a city, the massive project and the economic value he brought down to Igbo land, Imo State to be precise, you know, generating revenues, especially on 100 days programs like this. You know, I was discussing with one of them earlier today, or was it yesterday now, and I was telling him, you are one of those people who are scam, this one that. I said, no. The Evangelist Ebuka I know is totally different from your usual prophet, man of God, whatever. You know, those ones that discourage a lot of young people like us in terms of when you call it Christianity, church, worshiping God, believing in Jesus Christ, you know. That Evangelist Ebuka is different from all those people. Those guys here are not time for crackers biscuit. And I time, you know. But now I'm happy that one, Evangelist Ebuka never forehand, you know, and till tomorrow I know that he's not gonna forehand, because looking at him, both the way of preaching, the way of every year, that is totally different from what we are used to, you know. And I'm seeing a lot of people from Ngokpala that has been ranting, you know, since the relocating of Days Zion Ministry from Lagos to Ngokpala about land and Ajiwesi and Ajiase. Some people from back are pushing them, you know, confusing them, washing them, saying all manner of things. From day one. We know all those things. That's the reason why sometimes when I see all these their videos, I will laugh, because I'm an on the happy that button. But one thing I want to tell the people of Ngokpala is that if care is not taken, if you guys like didn't use your brain, you see that blessing Evangelist Ebuka is bringing to your community will turn to a cost to you guys. I see a lot of propaganda. I say, a lot of things. And you all know the truth. Your leaders know the truth. you know. But sometimes okwa ndị ahụ nọ na-akụ ndị ahụ na-aya from day one bụ ihe nakwa na-work all those things na-asa isi na-cause confusion na-cause trouble, trying to mess all his efforts up. But like I said, people of Ngokpala, if you guys are not careful, if care is not taken, you see that blessing, that massive light Evangelist Zion Ministry brought down to Ngokpala will turn to cost to you guys. But we are not praying for that, but just for you guys to use your brain. 100 days will be starting tomorrow. I know that there is a plan on ground from some people of Ngokpala. I know that there must be a plan to try to, you know, to mess things up. Because not be today we did the game now. The more they are doing this, the more can they but it's gonna do you guys no good. If you're gonna listen to me, it's gonna do you guys no good at all. And one thing you guys should know is that Moka Karigoku, you know, I'm the one that started saying this on social media. Moka Karigegu, because when you trace back from the first battle, the second, you see, from native doctors, Ndioka, outsiders, insiders, even to do Moke Kanagakwa, ministry are still growing. You know, so sometimes it's a waste of time, waste of effort, and waste of energy. You know, so I like the fact that all these people that used to call me Onyedidi, when we're talking about Zion, including some, you know, top creators and people not quite by Kunkum. I'm seeing their videos now saying no, Evangelist Ebuka, no. Or sometimes I see their comments like, hey, I'm not a fan of Evangelist Ebuka, but I'm happy with what she's doing at Ngokpala. I'm proud of him with what he's doing at Ngokpala, but I'm not a fan of him. Why can't you be a fan of him if you are proud of what he's doing? If Ndi Igbo buy here, Ndi Igbo buy a problem. I believe that they say become way Yoruba. Ndi Yoruba and they fear Kachineke. Because I'm a massive thing, light on a wote na that particular tribe. Now you and they buy. Make I no talk. But what am I trying to say? 100 days is starting tomorrow, and those of you that are still doing your share here, once you are following God and following the ministry or whatever with your cool and open hand, believe you me, that grace will always push for you. That grace will always find. Sometimes, you know, that's why you are full mufeka or for the mufeka, because you be about Hakari. So, sometimes, when I watch how this whole thing has played, from day one, no Ghana tie crackers biscuit and achi. No Ghana after I say, I want to quit Basaza on the bars you in life. And then see the level things are going now. And how proud the same evangelist Hannah saying can, how proud they are on him now. I will shake my head, you know. So you guys should always appreciate what you have and not always try to misbehave because of nas or be listening to some people sometimes for video I will be laughing. I'll be laughing and you can make it. Yes, Meru Nebere.